Shelly's making up some nice food here for the week. What do you got going on there, Shell?
Country ribs for the crock pot.
Country ribs for the crock pot. There you go. Browning them up nice. And then over here, what do you got going on? Some cut up turnip and carrot.
An apple.
Apple.
Apple, turnips, carrot.
Some gravy throw in there.
Yep.
Oh man, we had this last week and we ate on it like most of the week for lunch. It was fantastic. Freaking awesome. Just a fan kind of going there, so it's probably what you hear. Now, what is that? Country ribs?
Yeah. Yeah, they got a small bone on them, so it has a lot of flavors in them.
Right. Nice. That's awesome. Yahoo! Gotta love the crock pot. Nice. What you got going on now, Shell?
I'm just gonna cut up some peppers and onions to start my base for my chicken chili that I'm gonna do in the renderings that are left in the pan from running the pork.
Oh, these renderings here from the pork. Nice. Oh, there's a lot of flavor right there, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I'll get these onions done.
There's some green peppers already done, huh?
Yep. Just put some peppers, green onions.
Fantastic chicken chili. A little healthier than ground beef, but still tastes fantastic. Yeah, you can't even tell. It's fantastic.
Throw some cumin in it.
Right.
We'll throw some white beans, some black beans.
We got, yeah, what do you call those? Just
white beans. Navy white beans. Yep.
Black beans. Nice.
Yep.
Some cumin, some chili powder. Do you put chili powder in there?
You know what? I do.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
I know it's good, whatever you do. It's the first time I've actually watched you do it.
It's fine. Oh, Craig, why don't you go shoot that squirrel? Stick him in the crock pot.
Big fat gray out there somewhere?
Oh my God, they're huge out here. We raise them big.
All right.
One. Oh, now we're talking.
Peppers, onions, and the renderings of the browning of the pork ribs.
Garlic powder.
Yeah.
More garlic powder.
Plus, I see you got some real garlic over there on the cutting board ready to go.
Yeah, I'll add that in after too.
Nice. Cumin.
Okay, I'm gonna let that go.
All right.
I'm gonna rinse the beans.
Yeah. I can already smell that.
I know, right? That smells good.
Yeah, dude. What you got going on there?
Just rinsing the beans down into the chili later on.
So we like to rinse our canned beans.
Yeah, it gets all that extra chloride and whatever preservatives if they stick in there off of there, because you can add your own salt, you can add your own flavorings.
Right, in that.
If I had time to do them from dry,
Right.
it'd be different. I don't have time to soak them, so.
Right. And that canned flavor. Sometimes you can pick up a can.
It's a tinny taste.
Yeah.
That's what I call it. Tinny
Yep.
taste.
Nice.
Now we're talking.
Oh man, right?
Yeah. Well, and you know what? When you use chicken or ground turkey instead of hamburger,
Right.
you gotta get some flavor to it because it don't really taste like anything.
Well, yeah, ground hamburger versus chicken. Yeah, there's a huge flavor drop off.
Right.
Favoring the hamburger versus chicken, but you can make up for it with spices, which are ultimately healthier for you. Correct?
Correct.
All right. Ground chicken.
Better for you. A little better for you.
Well, I think it's better for you.
Yeah. I'd rather save the red meat and we're going to have a nice steak.
That's right. Yeah, we don't not eat red meat. We just in moderation nowadays. What, once a week maybe?
Yeah.
But you know what? Yeah, and I enjoy it more when we have it not every other night, you know? Yeah.
But this is good. Just make ahead. We're both very, very busy. We just grab our lunch out of the fridge in the morning.
Yeah.
Off we go.
Yeah, what Shelly's preparing now is basically lunches for the week. We'll put this stuff in, as you can see here, we have mason jars. We'll put salads with some protein in it for lunches. And works out great. They stay phenomenally well in the mason jars in the refrigerator for even like a basic green salad with nothing on it that you can add protein to. It's just as good on a Monday as it is on a, or excuse me, on a Friday as it is on Monday. They stay remarkably well in the jars in the refrigerator.
Yeah,
you agree?
Stays for at least a week.
Yeah. And then we do stuff like this. She'll make up like a chicken chili, and we can add that to the salad or on the side. Yeah. Oh, the smell in here is phenomenal.
It does smell good.
You smell it? So what'd you add for spices to that show?
I added cumin, chili powder. It already had tons of garlic powder, pepper.
Right.
Right. And then I'm going to let this finish browning up. And we'll add in the chopped tomatoes.
Some diced. Do you drain them first or just?
No, and let's add, that's your juice.
Right. The extra juice actually is good. Nice.
Yeah.
Right.
A little extra juice. And the black beans and the navy beans.
Yeah.
And we'll just let it sit for a little bit.
Let it render.
We add this at the end.
What is that?
Crushed red pepper.
Crushed red pepper. Yeah, I love that.
We use a lot of that.
And you brought up a good thing about the garlic earlier. You don't want to put it in too soon because it'll burn, correct?
Right. I didn't put it in with the peppers and onions. I put it in when the chicken is almost done. Then I put the fresh garlic in.
Right,
yeah.
so it doesn't burn.
Yeah.
Nothing worse than burnt garlic.
No, man, it's like...
There you go, the beans.
Put half and half. I don't really want to put too many beans in it.
Right.
You know. That's plenty. And I'll save some and put on our salads.
Yeah, those are good on salad as a protein for sure.
Yep.
Damn, that looks good.
I'm going to put the chopped tomatoes in.
Mm-hmm. Did you already put the red pepper flakes?
Not yet.
Not yet.
A little bit of these.
Yeah.
Not a ton.
Oh, the more the merrier.
The longer it sits, the hotter it gets.
That's right. That's right.
A little bit more chili powder at the end.
What about salt? We do that at the end.
A little more cumin.
Mm-hmm.
A little more pepper. Like I said, the chicken just, I shut that off now.
Turn the fan off, yeah.
Oh, yes.
It's next to here now, yeah.
Yes. A little bit of salt on top. This is that 1/3 less salt.
Third less salt, yeah. Nice.
I figure you can always add salt if you want.
That's right. Oh, yeah.
Oops, on the stove.
Don't worry, I'll clean it up.
You're a trooper.
Good stuff, Shell.
You know, it's not bad, right? Not bad for you.
Right, exactly.
Nothing really bad for you in there.
No, it's flavorful, and we'll get 3 or 4 meals out of that right there.
Yeah, we'll get 4 lunches, so
4
2 lunches each.
Yeah, nice.
You're right. Turn that down.
Boom.
That'll be done.
So yeah, we're just chilling. Shelly's cooking up a storm, and running errands, doing a little bit of house stuff Sunday afternoon. Got some kindling all ready for this evening's fire. Ready to rock and roll. Nice. All right, once again, the crock pot's doing its thing. The chili is simmering. What's up now, Sean?
Well, I'm just taking some really thin sliced eye of the round beef.
Eye of the round beef. Okay,
Yep,
thin
very
slice.
thin sliced. Yep. And I'm gonna marinate it in the sesame garlic sauce.
Nice.
And then I'm gonna make a little bit of a stir fry. So,
Wonderful.
because, well, salads every day for lunch get kind of boring.
Yeah.
Right? So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, we're just gonna slice this really thin.
Basically a stir fry.
Yeah.
With the beef.
I'm gonna do broccoli, and I'm gonna do some red peppers, and the beef.
Nice.
So, I'm just gonna slice this. Yeah, something a little different. Like
Sure.
I said, you know,
Sure.
when you eat a salad 7 days a week, it gets a little old. I'll do some salads later. I'll do a couple salads, but
But you know, we both feel better trying to eat relatively healthy, so that's cool.
Absolutely.
That's cool.
yep, yep.
Nice. And we do splurge. Friday, Saturday evening, we'll get a pizza or something. We don't deprive ourselves, that's for sure.
No, there's some nice fried clams.
Yeah.
My personal favorite.
That's right. There's a place locally that the food generally is really nice, but the fried clams are just to die for. They're phenomenal.
And they give you enough for 2 people.
That's
seriously.
right.
They really do.
Yeah.
We could split them, but we don't. We order our own food. And what do you have for leftovers, you know?
That's right.
We'll get there.
Mm-hmm. So, wrapping up this Sunday of cooking, what do we got going on, Shell?
So I'm going to do that beef stir fry I told you about.
Yeah, the beef you cut up, yeah?
Yeah, so I'm putting a little bit of onion powder and some peppers on my vegetables.
Nice.
I'm not going to do any salt because we got the sesame garlic sauce.
Mm-hmm.
But I like to do the vegetables first. And get those going.
Yeah.
And we're going to stir fry them up. And then once these get rolling,
What do you get in there? Oil?
just olive oil.
Olive oil, yeah.
Olive oil, yep. I'm going to stir fry these.
Yep.
And then once they're like half done, I take them out. I let them sit, put a little sauce on them while I do the meat.
Sure.
And then we put it all together and let it meld for a few minutes and we'll be good to go.
Nice.
All right?
It's always
Awesome.
good, yeah. Awesome, what a great day of cooking.
Yeah.
And I get to reap the benefits, or we both do.
We both do.
All right. Thanks, Shell.
You're welcome.
All right.
Okay, so I took the vegetables out when they're steaming under there
Nice.
with some sesame garlic.
Yeah.
So while those are steaming, just turn that back down and drain the meat out so it wouldn't be full of the marinade,
Right.
right? Because you want to stir fry it, you don't want it to boil.
Sure.
We're just going to throw that in there. There we go. And turn that up really high. And get a quick sizzle. And that's done.
Smells great.
All right, I gotta put the pan back on just a little bit.
Yep.
That really is so thin that and it's top round, so it's not a tender cut.
Right.
So I just want to brown it up quick, and I'll add the vegetables back in, and we'll turn it down to low.
I got you. Yeah, it doesn't take long to cook.
No. Oh. Almost there.
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. Tim, probably could have been a little bit hotter.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
That's alright.
So when it's almost there, you'll add the veggies back.
Right.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Get rid of all the red really fast. And that's about it. Add the veggies back. It's got all that nice sauce in it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Turn that back down low.
It's so good.
I'll just put a little bit more sauce on it.
And what is that again? Sesame
Garlic.
garlic?
Yeah. Full circle. Sesame
Nice.
garlic. Oh, lost pepper.
You eat it?
Really good.
Let that render.
Put that down. Turn that on low. We're good.
Yeah, baby.
Good to
All
go.
right. Nice job. All right. So that's about it, folks. Cooking, or Shelly's doing a bunch of cooking today, as you can see. And just to wrap up one more time, we got the crock pot there. That's braised pork with turnip, onions, and apple. And then we did the chicken chili, and that's a beef broccoli and pepper stir fry.
All
right.
Good to go.
Good to go. Peace.